Melody Luna, do you hear me? I've been calling you, but not this time.